Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the cartoon shatter filter on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So TikTok have just released a new effect which is called cartoon shatter. As you can see, your screen starts to shatter, and then you turn into a cartoon character after the screen shatter is complete. So let me show you how to create these kind of videos on your TikTok app. So first you want to start off by opening up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search at the top right. Here you want to search for cartoon shatter. Scroll down and look for the cartoon shatter filter, which will be just under effects. It looks like this, so go ahead and tap on it. Now this will show you all the videos that were done by the cartoon shatter filter. So to use this filter, just tap on use this effect. And now the effect will be enabled. So go ahead and press the record button. And once you're ready, tap on the screen and you'll turn into a cartoon character. Let's do it one more time. So press the record button and now your screen will start to shatter. Once it's there, just tap on the screen and there you go, you turn into a cartoon character. So for those of you who cannot see this effect, unfortunately this is not available on your TikTok app or on your region. The only thing you can do is wait until TikTok releases it for you. So there you go, that is how to use the cartoon shatter filter on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.